Changing your plan on Firebase is a straightforward process that allows you to adjust your services according to your project's needs. Follow these steps to successfully change your Firebase plan. Step 1. Log into Firebase Console. Access the Firebase Console by visiting the Firebase website and logging in with your Google account. Make sure you select the correct project for which you want to change the plan. Step 2. Navigate to the Billing section. Once you are in your project dashboard, look for the Billing option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your current billing plan and options for upgrading or downgrading. Step 3. Review current plan details. In the Billing section, review the details of your current plan, including the features and limits. This will help you understand what you may need in your new plan and what changes you want to make. Step 4. Select a new plan. Choose the plan you wish to switch to. Firebase typically offers different tiers, such as the Spark Plan Free and the Blaze Plan Pay As You Go. Click on the plan you want to select and review its features and pricing. Step 5. Confirm your changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you will have successfully changed your Firebase plan. Make sure to monitor your usage and billing to ensure it aligns with your project needs.